In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to CSV. Exporting your tasks to a CSV file is a great way to back up your work, share data with teammates, or analyze progress in a spreadsheet. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it opens easily in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or any data app you prefer. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open your ClickUp account. You can use the desktop app or your web browser. Either way, make sure you're signed in to the workspace that contains the tasks you want to export. Having the right workspace active will keep things organized and ensure you pull the correct data. Next, click on your profile avatar in the top right corner of ClickUp. This is where your personal and workspace settings live. If your workspace uses a custom theme or layout, the avatar may look slightly different, but it's always in the same general spot. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens a central hub for account preferences, workspace configuration, and data controls. We're heading here because exports are managed from the settings area rather than from an individual list or task view. Inside Settings, look for Import, Export. Click that option to open the data transfer page. This page typically highlights importing by default, which is helpful when bringing data in, but today we need to switch gears. Click Export instead. This toggles the interface to the export tools. If you don't see the export option, your workspace permissions may be limited. In that case, a workspace admin can enable access. When export is visible, you're in the right place to pull data out of ClickUp. Here, select the location you want to export from. You can typically choose a broader area like an entire space, or narrow it down to a specific folder or list. Choosing a smaller location gives you a tighter, more focused CSV, while a broader selection captures more tasks at once. Think about what you need the CSV for, reporting, archiving, or analysis, and pick the scope that matches your goal. Finally, click Start Export. ClickUp will prepare the CSV file with your task data, including key fields like task names, statuses, assignees, due dates, and more, depending on your setup. Larger selections may take a moment to generate. When it's ready, you'll have a clean CSV you can open and analyze, share with your team, or import into another system that supports spreadsheet data. And that's it. Quick, reliable, and repeatable. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.